Hi, this is Dorothy from taichibosman.com/rawfoodblog and from favehealthyrecipes.com. We're making pistachio refrigerator cookies today, and they came out so good. This half is regular plain pistachio cookies with just like 5 or 6 ingredients, and this side I added cacao powder too, and little pieces of chocolate. And I have to say the chocolate ones are magnificent, but these are really good too. So pistachios, they are really good source of copper and potassium and phosphorus, magnesium, and B6. They have 30 vitamins and phytonutrients and minerals in them. And so they're excellent for lowering your cholesterol and for reducing heart disease and for blood pressure. So eat some pistachios every day. They're magnificent for you. And what I did was put a cup of pistachios in the food processor with a half a cup of cashews and ground them until they're really fine. And I'm going to get out one little shell in there. And then you can add your other ingredients, and it's so fast. And then you just chill these for an hour, and they're so good. So the other ingredients are a dash of salt, and the ingredients again are found underneath this video, and a dash of vanilla powder, and you can use vanilla extract if you don't have vanilla powder, and then 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I also used 4 tablespoons of honey. You could use any liquid sweetener you want, like coconut nectar would be outstanding in it. Or you could also use raw agave or maple syrup if you don't care about them being raw. Put that in there. So fast. So if you want a fast recipe that's really good for you, you can make this. And then I'm going to make these all chocolate, so we'll put in just a tablespoon or 2. I'm going to make it 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. You could also use carob. And then afterwards, you can put in some raw chocolate or some cacao nibs, which would make it really good. And then we just blend this up. And do save some of the nuts if you want to put them on top afterwards. So I'm going to do this for about 20 seconds. And it's just starting to form a ball, so I'll give it about 10 more seconds. And there you can see it's starting to form a ball. And so at this point, you can take the whole batch and put it in your refrigerator for an hour, and then take an ice cream scoop and just scoop it onto your platter like that. And I just want to show you it right now. You can also just form it into balls and put it on your platter. And then we'll press 1 pistachio in the middle of each one, or 1 good piece of chocolate, or some cacao nibs. So to your health, from Dorothy at taichibosman.com/rawfoodblog and from favehealthyrecipes.com. Enjoy your pistachio refrigerator cookies.